what tests were actually done. And even when I say tests here, really they're just measurements as opposed to specific tests to see where players are at. Testing implies a pass and a fail, whereas these are measuring their specific levels in certain elements or components of fitness. So the main ones on here, they looked at height and weight or body mass. They looked at skin folds to look at body fat percent estimates, but that also helped us get levels of fat-free mass when we worked it out through a bit of an equation. Use sit and reach for flexibility, not something I'm going to address today because sit and reach measures one specific part of flexibility and the relationship between flexibility and performance is largely nil. They looked at 5 meters and 20 meters for speed/acceleration. They looked at counter movement jump and broad jump for power, push-ups to test muscular endurance, and the yo-yo IRT for aerobic capacity. There is no measure of max strength here in this because it's quite difficult to do, particularly in younger players. And because this goes back, it's 10 years worth of testing. 10 years ago, there wouldn't have been remotely near the same level of access to force plates around that way. Plus some of the maximal strength tests around bench press or trap bar, you're more wary of doing that with 14 or 15 year olds just because of the growth spurts they're going through, the level of control they may or may not have, and the length of time it takes to develop decent technique to load these fully to get a full 1RM or 3RM estimate.